Yo, what's up guys, it's your boss Darius and welcome to another video on my channel. So as you know, we talk about core all day and every day, and today we are on our MetaMask and I want to show you how you can get a result like this. And in the previous video I had showed you that you can use this method to get up to 100 BTCs or every day, but I read the comments and some are saying that it's a scam, that I've not showed you the exact way that you can do it. And so I'm here to show you how you can get your 100 BTCs. So I've already done it to receive at least 77 BTCs, but I now want to show you how you can reach your 100 BTCs. So they've not yet changed the BTCs to tCORE on the main coins that are shown on your MetaMask. But when you go to the other pages, like on the 𝗕𝗧𝗏 or the swap, you'll see that BTCs has been changed to core. So we are on our swap, and right now you can see that instead of BTCs, it's now showing tCORE. And also on the 𝗕𝗏𝗏, so you can see it's showing tCORE, and before it was showing BTCs. So we'll be getting our tCORE, which is the same as BTCs. So I'll just be using BTCs for the purpose of the coin that is on the MetaMask. You'll be receiving it until you get to 100 BTCs. So first of all, you need your VPN. So for me, I'm using the private internet access VPN, and I'll start with the first location, which is the stream. I'll start with Monaco so that we can move downwards. And now when it's all connected, we can go back to our app. And first of all, I don't know if your phone has this feature, I'd recommend it that you choose the floating window button so that the VPN can be available even when you are on our MetaMask. And now you can see that the VPN is floating and we can use it whenever we need it. So we've already connected to our preferred location, the IP address. So I'll start with the account. Let's start with the account 3. So we'll just copy our address, then go to the 𝗕𝗏𝗏, and that's where we're going to place our address and receive the BTCs. Then later on we're going to change. We'll be receiving both the BTCs and also the USDT. Then we'll change it to all to BTCs. So you just need to do the capture, but it's really tiresome, but I'll be showing you an easier way that you can do on your computer so that you can solve your captures even much faster. On the phone, I haven't found a better way that you can automatically get your captures solved for you, but when I find a way, I'll also share a new video on that. So I think this is best when you do it on your PC. It's much faster. In order to reach the 77 BTCs, I did it on my computer. Doing it on my phone is very much slow. And now you can see that we have received our USDT. And when you go back to our wallet, you can see now we have an increased balance. So we'll also do the same for our account 4. And after logging into your other account, you need to go back to the VPN and change your IP address. So before we are using the Monaco, now we'll go to IT Milano. So we'll just copy our address and go back to the 𝗕𝗏𝗏, then replace the address and then continue solving the captcha. Now we've already solved that. We'll receive our tCORE and you can see it is successful. We'll also do the same for the USDT. So for me, I think that I'll just get to my computer so that I can do at least 10 more accounts and then get back to the video and show you. So that will be much easier. So we've already done for 2 accounts, and now you can understand the exact thing that you need to do. And then you'll be sending all this to your account 1. So you'll first start with the USDT. You'll send it because without the BTCs, if you start with the BTCs, then you'll have 0 balance. And then when you're starting to send your USDT, you'll have nothing to confirm your transaction. So you must first start with this USDT or the USDT, and when it's sent, then you can send your BTCs or your tCORE. Now that that's successful, now we can go back. We can go to send our BTCs, and we'll be sending still to our account 1. Now you can close the VPN for now because, as I said, I'll be doing the rest on my PC so that we can save more time. So this is quite a process. so it takes more time, and that's why in the previous video I did not showed the whole process. I only showed you how you can get to, I think I did for only 2 accounts. So now that's done, and we'll also do the same for the account 3, the account 2, and then it will reflect on our account 1. You can see now we have, it should be a 78 point something. So now you can see that it is already 78, and when you send the ones in account 2 will already be at 80 tBTCs. So now I'll get to my PC, then return. So now I've done it for a couple of accounts. You can see that on the account 3 we have, and the account 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So all this I want to add to our account 1 so that we can at least reach almost 90 tCORE of the tBTCs. Then we can convert the USDT to also the tCORE, and then from there we can have our 100 balance of tCORE stroke tBTCs. So first of all, we start with our account 2. We'll send all the USDT stroke the SUSDT to our account 1 so that we can convert all of it into tBTCs. Then we'll see whether we can reach our balance of 100. So you need first wait for the transaction to be successful so that you can proceed to transact the tCORE stroke the tBTCs. So when it's all done, now we can go back to, but I think we need to first reload it, because sometimes there comes an error when you don't reload after sending the USDT, because some tBTCs has already been used for the transaction of sending the SUSDT. So you just need to wait for a bit. Now you can see the real balance. If we had done the transaction without reloading the balance, it could have shown an error. So we'll be sending the max amount to our account 1. Now that that's done, we'll also do the same for the account 3 and for the other accounts. So I'll just pause this video so that we can skip to the other part. So now you can see that we are already at 90 tBTCs. So, and also the USDT is already at 12,000. So when you convert this 12,000 into tBTCs, I bet will be above even maybe 110 tBTCs. And in order to swap, we need to go to the browser section. Then we have already opened our swap for the testnet. If you have not yet done that, you can find the link on the testnet website or also on the app. So when you will just select our SUSDT, which is also the USDT. Now let's check how many SUSDT is 1 tBTCs. So you can see that 1 tCORE is at 700 SUSDT. So we'll need to convert our SUSDT to our tCORE. So just tap on max and then tap on swap. So you see we'll be getting 17 tCORE. So confirm the transaction, and now when you go back to our wallet, we'll see that the transaction has already been processed, and now our balance is all in tBTCs. Now let's refresh this. So you see now our balance is already at 108 tBTCs, and that's how you can get to 100 tBTCs even in a single day. So it's a bit of a process, but when you use your computer it will be much faster. So in the next video I'll be showing you how you can do it on your PC, so that I can also show you how you can bypass the captcha and make more tBTCs in a much lesser time. So thanks guys for watching, and hope to see you in the next one. Peace out.